Assalamu alaikum everyone. Welcome to Pakistan Montessori International. The sensorial activities are going on, and here now the sense of chrome, the sense of chroming with the sense of vision and the sense of understanding. The chromic sense is the sense of colors. We need to present our children few activities in this particular area of learning. Here I have 3 different type of boxes just besides me. These 3 different sizes of boxes, box number 1, box number 2 and the box number 3. These 3 particular boxes have different sizes, and with those different sizes they have a very important thing in it, what is called color tablet. The color tablet, as it's in the tablet form, that's why we call it color tablet. To present this particular activity, we need one small mat or might be a light color mat. The light color mat. We have told you about folding and unfolding of napkin and a map in our previous exercises. Here the white mat to provide a focusing area, to provide a focusing length and width for this particular activity. Sense of chromic color. Hold a tablet with your fingers in this form. Hold in this form. Keep it down. You can take it out with the help of 3 fingers. Hold it like this and put it down with the same color tablet. You have to tell a child about 3 basic colors. This can be present in this form and this can be present separately in this form. Hold it, put it down, hold it and put it down, hold it and put it down. Yellow, blue, red are in front of us. This can be presented by the Montessori directress. You as student need to know one thing again. A directress should sit at the side of child which is a dominating side, like a right hand. If a child is using his right hand, you have to sit at its right hand side so you can guide in a proper manner. Now, after putting them on the mat, the more time to make a pair. Take out one more yellow, keep it on the mat, making a pair, blue. In this activity, the circle, the cycle of work, the 3-period lesson is being given. The 3-period lesson, what is this? Show me. This is yellow tablet. What is this? Show me. Yes, this is yellow tablet. Yellow color tablet with yellow color tablet. 3-period lesson was being told by our directors before. After pairing this, put it back. One by one, color by color. Hold it, put it, hold it, put it. According to child's nature, this can be little haphazard. He can keep it like that and put it back in a very urgently. You just need to tell and guide him. Keep it in proper manner. Hold it and put it back. This activity is done. To the child of 2+ or in a very early stage of birth time to 18 months, when the holding and gripping is being given, this activity works a lot. The second box of color tablet. The second box of color tablet is also being presented in the same manner. Take out, hold, but this time this box has more colors in it. To understand or to develop the chromic sense of color mixing, we should have a color wheel in an environment. In the first one, we had 3 primary colors. In the second one, we have secondary colors. When you are going to merge blue with red, which color can find? Yes, after merging of blue and yellow, the green color can be found. This can be found. Green color. The merging of red and blue creates, the red and blue creates purple color, and this is how in a different manners you can provide them information about the primary and secondary colors. Same manners, they can take out color tablet and put them in their place. In the first box, we found 3 primary colors. Which one? Red, blue, yellow. The hand and eye coordination, the focusing on work is must. In the second box, you have seen a lot of exercises regarding this color activity. Same one, match them or might be stare them. Here, the unusual color pink can be seen. Pink is a tint or a shade of red. When you mix the color in a color, like red is being added with white, it creates a tint, lighter tone, and when the black is adding in red, the shade, the higher tone creates. So, the shades are creating at one hand, the tints are creating at other hands. Mixing of very neutral color. The neutral color, the natural colors are white and black. Today, it is necessary to tell you black and white are not the colors, but conditions, the daytime and the night time. But to develop the sense of chromics, we can add whiteness and darkness in black in the color. In the next presentation, we are going to tell you about color box number 3. Thank you so much.